Determining taxable supply of GST law with respect to each of the following independent services provided by the registered person. What are they? Fees charged to Yoha Camp conducted by Charitable Trust 50,000. So Charitable Trust is conducting Yoha Camp. Amount charged for business correspondent for service provided to rural branch in bank in respect to savings account. This is amount charge, bank charges 1 lakh, taxable. Amount charged by the cord blade bank for preservative stem cell. Actually, they made it taxable notification. Let's see. Amount charged by service provided by a commentator or the recognized post body 5 lakh 20,000. It is actually taxable. Okay. So fees charged by Yoakam nil. Charitable institution, anything they provide services exempt. Section 12 of Section 12A of Income Tax Act. With the institute charitable activities been registered, then it is exempted. The activity relating to advancement of yoga, including definition of charitable activities, so such activities are exempt from GST. Very good. Second, amount charged with a business correspondent for the services provided by a rural branch in respect of savings bank. So in the bank is nil how service by a business facilitator, business correspondent to a banking company in respect of accounts in a rural area having have been exempted from GST. So what happened? Rural area, if they provide some services, it is exempted. So there is no limit, I think so. This I want to clarify, but this is as per the book, it exempted. Amount charged by God Bank. God Bank at that time it's exempted, now it is taxable. And provided by a recognized sports institute is taxable. How? Service by a recognized sports institution by a business individual in and player, referee or umpire, coach, team, manager for participant in a sporting event organized by the recognized board bodies exempt from GST. Recognized sports bodies only, who are they? Umpire, referee, coach, team manager, they are excluded, but they doesn't include commentator. Commentator is not in that list. So he is taxable, even though he is providing service to recognized sports body.